Hey, I'm Kyle from Drive Wheaton TV, showing off another truck from Wheaton Honda. This 2013 Toyota Tundra Limited is large and in charge. It's a double cab, meaning there's seating for 5 in its cavernous interior. It's also rocking a hefty 5.7-liter V8 engine that cranks out 381 horsepower and 401 pound-feet of torque, paired with a 6-speed automatic transmission. This powerful pickup can pull 10,000 pounds and is equipped with a tow package and the trailer sway assist system, which applies brake pressure to individual tires and controls engine torque to help stabilize a trailer. It has 4-wheel drive, remote entry, a remote starter, heated mirrors, a hard folding tonneau cover, assist steps, a full bed liner, and an easy lower and lift tailgate. Inside, you get a leather interior and plenty of great features like heated front seats, dual zone climate control, a power sliding rear window, a backup camera, and parking sensors. The infotainment center comes with a JBL audio system, USB and auxiliary inputs, Bluetooth, and satellite radio. Now, if you have any questions about this truck, you can hit me up with email, Facebook, or Twitter, or just head down to Wheaton Honda and check it out.